idea for Flower Talk came about because of my core belief that we as humans really need nature, not only for our survival but for our healing. It's so important that we stay close to nature for our mental and physical well-being. And this is just the type of work that you do from your heart. You're not doing this to get rich. You want to do this work because it's something that you believe you were put on this earth to do. We are just really firm core believers in the naturopathic, nature-based way of administering mental health care. From nutritionists to herbalists, we just share that common goal of there being a platform that offers something more natural, more nature-based in terms of mental health. Flower Talk mission is not only to offer affordable, accessible and relatable mental health services, but also to offer a more naturopathic way of treating mental health and getting people back closer to nature and enabling them to really tap into their own ability to heal themselves with the assistance of nature.
I came to Flower Talk because I am in a moment right now where I'm struggling finding myself. I was looking for a safe space and for a mental health program that resonates with me, and when I met Sade, I clicked with the way how she was talking and she made me feel very comfortable, which is why I wanted to join this class.
The mission for Flower Talk is really centered in intentional community building, grouping together a variety of different disciplines, practitioners, community leaders, farmers, visionaries, all coming together to better the mental health of our communities. It really offers an alternative to how we care for our mental health, a very natural alternative and broadening perspectives of what it looks like to deal with mental health challenges. I guess I have a mixture of workshops, which would be like aromatherapy based, or talk therapy, and like I said, nature walks, and that could be on the beach or going into the forest. Design plays a big role for me because I feel like it's really important to be able to communicate a message through design. The importance of branding for the Flower Talk platform, for me, I need to be able to communicate what it stands for and also get my personality in there, but also the branding has to incorporate that there are a variety of disciplines and personalities involved in Flower Talk. Branding is so key to be able to zoom in on the nuances of what makes Flower Talk stand out. I think for Flower Talk, the next step will be really realising the healing garden where I can actually accommodate more people at the same time to receive flower therapies, where they can be vulnerable and receive holistic mental health care.